Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to answer the question whether you can overwind an automatic watch. So the short answer is going to be no, because most modern automatic watches are going to feature a slipping mechanism that once you are going to fully wind your watch, so once the movement, the mainspring is going to be fully wound, you won't be able to wind it anymore. So every extra winding, either from the manual winding or from the rotor on the back, is going to slip, and that means that it is not going to wind the watch anymore. Now there are going to be some very particular, let's say very old automatic watches, or even some modern ones from very high-end brands that do not feature this let's say slipping mechanism, but they are going to inform you about that. So there are going to be a few exceptions, but for the most part you won't be able to overwind your automatic watch, so you do not need to worry about, let's say, moving your rotor too much, or in case you see that you keep on winding the watch, so you keep on manually winding your automatic watch and nothing happens. That is because once the movement is fully wound, the extra winding isn't going to wind the watch anymore. So guys, that was the quick video that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to set the time and date on your Seiko 5 automatic, how to replace the strap, so how to interchange between a NATO strap and a leather strap, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out, especially if this is the first time that you own or you are, let's say, maneuvering an automatic watch. This is a great video for you to watch. In case you enjoy these videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot, and also make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.